Okay, so it is very important question for boards exam. Its weightage is 3 marks. इस तरह के क्वेश्चन अक्सर एग्जाम में आ जाते हैं. If tan theta plus sin theta is equals to m, tan theta minus sin theta is equals to n, then prove that m square minus n square is equals to 4 root mn. So this question has to be started from this section. Okay. So m square minus n square is equals to m plus n, m minus n. Algebraic identity a plus b, a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. Now put the value of m and n in both the brackets. So it becomes tan theta plus sin theta plus tan theta minus sin theta. This is value of m and this is value of n. So this is going to be equals to 2 tan theta. So remember m plus n is equals to 2 tan theta. Now let's put the values for this bracket. So here it is going to be tan theta plus sin theta minus tan theta minus sin theta. Okay, so tan theta plus sin theta and then minus tan theta plus sin theta because of this negative sign. So this is equals to 2 sin theta. So finally we are getting 2 tan theta into 2 sin theta, which is 4 tan theta sin theta, 4 sin theta by cos theta into sin theta, which is 4 sin square theta by cos theta. This is the value of m plus n, m minus n. So finally m plus n, m minus n, or you can say m square minus n square is equals to cos theta. So we are calling it statement 1. After this we are supposed to calculate m n. So m n is going to be tan theta plus sin theta into tan theta minus sin theta. So apply the identity here, a plus b, a minus b. So tan square theta minus sin square theta. Further change this tan square theta in terms of sin and cos. So it can be written as sin square theta by cos square theta minus sin square theta. Take sin square theta common. 1 by cos square theta minus 1. Solve the bracket. Sin square theta 1 minus cos square theta by cos square theta. Sin square theta into sin square theta by cos square theta means sin 4 theta by cos square theta. So this is value of mn. Now calculate root of mn. Sin 4 theta by cos square theta. So root of mn is going to be equals to root of sin 4 theta by root of cos square theta, which is nothing but sin square theta by cos theta. So this is value of root of mn. Now look at this expression, this statement 1. Here this sin square theta by cos theta can be replaced by root of mn. So it becomes 4 times root of mn. 4 times root of mn. So we can say m square minus n square is 4 root of mn. ऐसे और क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए मेरा यूट्यूब चैनल सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. इट इज़ MTuitions. Step by step solution, marking scheme, everything I'm going to explain.